make our buttermilk so that it ferments. Like I told you, I'm multiplying the recipe by 2. To make your buttermilk, get your powdered milk. See it. Just be only here. Don't do like this. Your powdered milk. Then add 2 cups of water. Then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar for 1 cup of water. So because we are multiplying the recipe by 2, I'll put 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then stir and let it ferment. So we'll now go to our bowl. We'll add 2 cups of oil. Just follow the recipe. This is just procedure. So I'm multiplying it by 2. That is why I'm adding 2 cups of oil. It's supposed to be 1 cup, but I want a bigger portion. This is King's oil. I call the sachet King's oil. Don't buy all this measurement oil that used to have taste. This is King's. Buy King's oil. Then 4 eggs because I'm multiplying it by 2. That's 4 eggs. Then we add our flavor. Flavor is supposed to be 1 teaspoon. So we'll put 2 teaspoons.
Any flavor you like?
Yeah. But I use banana flavor, strawberry flavor for red velvet mostly. So add our sugar. This is already, it has been measured, so add it inside. Then we stir. And give it a good stir. Then we'll make our coffee. Our coffee in the recipe is half cup. But since I'm multiplying it, that means I'm going to do 1 cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. That's 1 cup. Then 1 teaspoon of coffee, our Nescafe coffee. I also add my cocoa powder inside this coffee to dilute. Cocoa powder. We add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Then I also add my red food color. So everything we add together. So I'll put my 2 teaspoons. Give me that 1 tablespoon. No, sorry, 1 teaspoon of, it's not too sweet, 1 teaspoon of red food color, half teaspoon for half recipe, for 1 recipe, right? So 1 teaspoon of red food color. Then we stir and let everything dissolve. Now come to our flour. Our flour has been measured already. Then we'll add our baking powder inside the flour. our baking soda. This is baking soda. The measurement is in there. From the spoon, you know the measurements. Then our salt. And look at the milk now, it has fermented. Can you see? See how it's doing. If it does not show like this, that means the vinegar is not active. Then I also add my milk emulsion. A little milk emulsion to make it very milky. And check your recipe and check if you have done everything. Yes. I think I'm done, right? So I stir, give it a good stir. So I stir, give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. Then I add my red food color inside this mixture. Then I add my milk, my buttermilk. I use it to rinse this so the red color can come out. So I stir. So now my flour, all my flour, right down. I know that. I use the pocket what I see them. Gradually add my flour. Then I say, bring it down. I'm making it easier. Let me see it. So I'll add my vinegar now at the end. After adding everything, I'll add my vinegar to take the spoon. Then I continue stirring. Then you stir continuously till there's no more seed. Then if you have a mixer, you can put it in the mixer and mix everything once. But if you don't have, you do it manually like this till it's smooth and silky. Then you bake. Oh.